Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Dodge Charger hood from outside. First, you'll need to get inside your Charger. Look down on the driver's side, usually near your left knee, for the primary hood release lever. It often has a small icon of a car with its hood open. Give this lever a firm, steady pull towards you. You should hear a clear pop from the front of your vehicle, indicating the first latch has released. Now that the primary latch is released, walk around to the front of your Dodge Charger. You'll notice the hood is slightly lifted, creating a small gap. Carefully reach your hand into this opening, between the top of the grille and the underside of the hood. You are feeling for the secondary safety latch, which is crucial for fully opening the hood. It's usually positioned around the center or a bit to either side. Once you've located the secondary safety latch by feel, you'll need to manipulate it. For most Dodge Charger models, you will push this small lever upwards. In some cases, you might need to slide it horizontally to the side. As you perform this action, you will feel the hood release completely. Now, you can fully lift the hood, gaining access to your engine bay. With the hood fully open, find the prop rod, which is typically clipped to the underside of the hood or within the engine bay. Unclip it and securely insert its end into the designated slot to hold the hood open safely. When you're finished, unclip the prop rod and return it to its storage. Gently lower the hood until it's about 6 to 12 inches from closing, then let it drop to ensure both latches engage properly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.